Hello Internet, this is Arslan, I'm a web developer.
My name is Asad and I am Android app developer.
Now we welcome all of you to our brand new channel.
This channel is all about tips and tricks in web and Android app development.
So if you are a student, a beginner or an intermediate developer, you are on a right place.
So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.
Hello viewers, my name is Asad and welcome you to very first tutorial to become Android app developer. In this tutorial, you will learn about what's the Android OS architecture and how you create your first Android Studio project and how Android app is executed. First, I want to teach you what's Android OS architecture. Basically, Android OS architecture is divided into 5 sections. First section is applications. All applications like SMS, MMS, contacts, people, these are all applications. Second is application framework. Application framework contains higher level Java classes that Android developers use in their applications like activity manager, content providers, content resolvers, and a lot more. And you will learn about these in next upcoming videos. Third one is Android Runtime. Android Runtime divides into two sections. First section is core libraries and second one is Dalvik VM. Core libraries basically provide Java-based data structures like linked list, queues, trees, graphs, and a lot more. All data structures are provided by core libraries. And second one is Dalvik VM. Basically, Dalvik VM is a virtual machine in Android OS that execute Android apps. Fourth one is Android libraries. Android libraries contains Java-based libraries that is specific for Android app development. A few libraries like Android.txt, Android.view, Android.databases, and a lot more libraries available for Android app development. Fifth one is Linux kernel. Linux kernel section contains all drivers that basically communicate with hardware, like a camera driver, like Bluetooth driver, like Wi-Fi driver. Basically these are all drivers available in kernel section. Now the question is that how your Android app is executed. First, your Java source code is compiled by Java compiler and converted into Java bytecode. Then your Java bytecode is compiled by Dex compiler and converted into Dalvik bytecode. And then Dalvik VM is here. And Dalvik VM is in your Android OS that execute Dalvik bytecode to execute your Android app. Now I will teach you how you create your first Android Studio project. When you open your Android Studio project, click on Start a new Android Studio project. After clicking on that, here you decide the screen asking for application name. And in your first Android Studio project, I am deciding the application name to be Hello World. So after that, deciding what's the company domain. Basically, company domain is the package name, and package name is must uniquely identified as per the Google's instruction to publish your app to Google Play Store. And then asking for project location. After selecting your project location, click on the next button, and here you decide the minimum SDK level or the minimum targeting OS that Android Studio, that your Android project to be target now. I am targeting Android 4.1 to show on the latest devices, and after that click on the next button. After that clicking on the next button, here is the screen asking for to add an activity. I am telling you or I am describing you the activity on upcoming videos. Here you select the empty activity and click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, asking for activity name and layout name. Basically, activity name is default as main activity, and layout name is default by activity main and activity underscore main. After clicking on the finish button, it might take some time to build your Android Studio project, and also it depends on what's the specification of your system. After creating your project. Thank you guys for watching this video and keep in touch to learn more stuff.